Google Earth, Google Earth, the software. Yes, Google Earth, Google Earth. This one. Did you use this before? Google Earth. This is very good for before you travel or if you want to learn another country's culture or anything you want to see, you can use this one. Okay, so before we use this one, let's talk about our lesson today. And then we are going to travel from different places in front of computer. Yeah. Okay, so the first one, today we are going to talk about transport in tourism. So we are going to use different way like airplane and then the ship and the buses to the places you want. Okay? So now we are going to take off, like fly above the place. Okay? So here we have method of travel. We have air, water, and land. Yeah. So according to this one, can you read uh, the journey types for me? What's the journey types for air we can have? Yeah, flight. So do you know what is the long haul and the short haul? Okay, so this is a travel distance. Long distance means the long course. Yes. So HAUL is, oh, sorry, leg of H. Yeah, this is a distance. Okay, so this is a distance, like a place from A to B. Yes. Yeah. So the distance covered in particular journey, like from place A to place B. So long haul and then the short haul. Yeah. Yes. Like from Taipei to Kaohsiung, the airplane will be short haul. From Taiwan to Japan, that would be long haul. Yes. 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 So, um, particularly to say, if you are crossing countries like um, more than 3 hours, that would be long haul. If you are just going to Hong Kong or nearby places, only 1 hour, like Taiwan to Philippines only take around 1.5 hour, that would be short haul. Yeah, this one, very special term. Okay, so here we have transport types. We can have airplane, and jet. Jet usually is like a very big. Yes, yes, very big, very fast. And then we have the light aircraft. Usually only one or two person can be right on the craft. Yes. And then this one, can you read it? Helicopter. Yes, helicopter. Yes. So helicopter. Do you know what is helicopter? Helicopter. I'll show you the picture. This is helicopter. Yes. So last time I saw a news that a helicopter like crashed uh, in the mountain in a mountain in Taiwan. So this kind of like some engineer they ride helicopter to inside of the far places like a higher mountain to fix something. They take this kind of helicopter. Or there's rescue. You know rescue? Rescue. Yes, so like that situation, helicopter is very helpful. Okay, and then the places we have airport, and this one, okay, terminal. What is terminal? Yes, like terminal 1, terminal 2, terminal 3. Yes, and this one, wrong way. What is that? What's that for? Yeah, before you take off, you have to use the wrong way. Like, they have to drive for a long distance until take off, like fly into the sky. So that's the wrong way. Yeah. So this is very important facilities. Okay, so in the airplane, we have tourism professionals. Okay, the server will be pilot and flight attendant. Yes, but captain is much more like for boat, boat, captain. Yes. Can be for boat or for airplane, and you can say it's like a driver for that airplane. Yeah, here say the dictionary said can be ship, can be aircraft. Yeah, so both. Yeah, but pilot, I think much more we emphasis in the airplane because they don't say pilot for boat driver. Yeah, this one is especially only for the aircraft, which is the airplane. Yeah, all right. So flight attendant. Do you have any friend who is doing a flight attendant? No? Yeah, I have many. Some of them are travel to USA, some of them work in Dubai, some of them work in Japan. They are flight attendant. Their work is very hard. They have to wake up very early and then like sometimes they have to sleep at the cabin so they cannot go home in the usual time. They don't have time to be with their boyfriend and sometimes they argue about oh the guests like especially from China they don't respect them and then they ask a lot like some children are like pee in on the seat and then even some parents ask them to help to change diaper, like very difficult things. Yeah, travel all over the world. Yeah, hard working. So some of my friends they want to retire before 25, no, 30. Like they work only for 3 to 5 years and then they just stop and then do another work. Yeah, because they already travel around the world, they think they can stay in Taiwan. They don't have to travel anymore. Yeah, airplane company. Which one? Ah, K Thai airplane. K Thai. I think I forget how to spell it. Let's check. K Thai. Ah, this one. K Thai Pacific. This one. Yeah. K Thai Pacific. Yeah. Yeah. I think this one is because it's AY, right? So it's Thai, K Thai Pacific. And the other one is uh Korea, Korea, Korea airplane, airplane, airlines. Okay, Korean Airlines. This one, right? This one, Korean Airlines. Okay, which one is better, do you think? Friendly. Wow, more beautiful. Really? Let's check. Wow, flight attendant. Wow, very professional and very young. Yeah. Okay, I'll try to book one in the future. Yeah. Okay. And let's check. Okay, so now we are on board and we choose Korean airline. Okay, madam, where would you want to go? You can choose any place in the world. San Francisco, let's see. Francisco, USA. Okay, we make it in short haul journey. Okay, here we are. Okay, so let's have San Francisco. Okay, here we are. We are in San Francisco. This is San Francisco Museum of Modern Art. Do you see this one? Yeah, this is a museum, San Francisco Museum of Modern Art. Yep. So, let's check some more places. We can have more choice. This is San Francisco. It's in the United States, and this is uh, can you describe what did you see here in the landscape? Is it in the middle of the land or beside sea? Like what did you see here? San Francisco is here. Yeah, Pacific here, Pacific Ocean. And there is a this is like a inner part of the sea, right? So there is a San Francisco Bay here. Did you? Yeah. And then here we have a lot of things. Let's see. We have University of California. Let's go. Okay. Which place would you like to go, Maiden? We have University of California. We have Chinatown. We have Golden Gate Park, and we also have, well, what's this? San Francisco Beach. Okay. Uh, Sorry, the GPS doesn't work. Let's try it again. Okay, let's go to the beach by ourselves. It's just finger distance, so we can make it. Okay, here we are. Wow, there is a Long Beach. Okay, this is a most famous place in one of the famous place in San Francisco, which is the Golden Gate Bridge. Yes, Golden Gate Bridge. This place is very yes, it's very famous here. Yeah, but here in the GPS it's very small. I don't know why. And this is the beach here. Hollywood, Hollywood. Okay, let's travel to Hollywood. Hollywood, Los Angeles. Now let's fly to Hollywood. Take off. Yes. Now. Okay, Maiden, here we are. We are arriving Hollywood. Okay, so yes, Hollywood Boulevard. It's here. I think there is a place that all the movie stars went there. Okay. Yes, with all stars. With all stars. Let's find it here. Okay, Hollywood. Wow, this is yes, this one. This the stars. I think we can find out some pictures. Hollywood stars. Let's check it in the. Okay, let's find out the name of the place first. Hollywood Star Star Street. Ah, Hollywood Work of Frame. Okay, so we find it now. Let's have some images here. Okay, Hollywood Star of Frame. Let's find out where is the place. Ah, it's just across the cities. It's here. Okay, Hollywood Walk of Fame. Wow, this city is very big. This place is just small. Hollywood Walk of Fame. Okay, we are going to take another transport vehicles. Now, after we fly to USA, now we are going to travel on water. Okay, yes, so later you are going to choose a place, then we are going to ride a boat. So this word is cruise, and this is crossing. All right, what's the difference between these two? No, still on the water, like upon the water. Like cruise is like from one place to another place, like travel on the water. Yeah, it's like long distance, very long distance, and in many different places, or just one place. Crossing is usually means like from China to Taiwan, or from Hong Kong to Taiwan, like crossing, or from one side of the river to another side of the river. That's crossing, like short. So we have this one, cruise ship. Like this ship is going to like travel from places. And this is liner. Liner is the very big one, very big boat. Show you. This liner. Yeah, this is liner, and this is cruiser. Yes. So the big one, you can have party there, and you can dance. You can stay there for 1 year. No worry about the food. Exactly, and sometimes it have 5 floors, like Titanic. Do you know Titanic? That's a liner, and this is a cruiser, just short, and then not very big. Okay? Yes, liner is bigger than cruiser. So next one is ferry. Yeah, ferry is a small boat like this, and some usually ferry is to transport uh, stuff or goods from some place to another place, like cargo ferry. And then this one we have. This is a little bit hard. Hovercraft. Okay, hovercraft is like this one. This is a hovercraft. I'm not sure if you can see. There is a on the bottom there is a like rubber, and then they can float on the water, and then ploom. Usually this is for like transportation for products, for goods, or for cargo, not usually for people. But this one, the next one we are going to learn hydrofoil. This one is hydrofoil. It's very fast on the sea. Sometimes when you drive very fast, it kind of fly on the water. Yes, hydrofoil. So there are many kind of transportation on the sea, on the water, on the sea, on the river. We can travel from boat, and the uh, places and the features we have port, harbor, and cabin, and pier. Okay, can you tell me the difference between port and harbor? Okay, now let's research port and harbor. So I'm going to show you what's the difference. So this is our practice. Yes. Okay. So you see, this is a harbor. Yes. And this is a port. Yes. Usually, harbor is just like a place where boat will stay here, right? The boat can park here, like a parking lot for boat. Yeah, this is the boat, or the ship parking lot, like this. Yeah. But when it comes to the port, it's like this. So you see, oh my God, so many cargoes, and then a big boat, and then a lot of things loading here. This is port. Yeah. So you understand now? Okay. How about cabin? Where you can find cabin? Cabin. Mm, actually, cabin is in on a boat, so you can see uh, like this one. On a boat, there is a like this. You can stay inside in the Exactly. The ship cabin is like inside the boat. You can sleep there and then you can watch the sea outside. Yes. Yes. Usually when you have cruise trip, the cruise trip on a liner, you can have this kind of room like this. Very beautiful. And then this one, pier. Okay, now we have one more research. Okay, so what's the difference between port and pier as you see here? Like for big boat and then a lot of cargoes, right? A lot of things. And the pier, yes. And then here in the pier, it's much more like this one is also famous. San Diego, Navi Pier in San Diego. This is a amusement park. And then the pier is usually for people to take a tour or take pictures. So it's usually very romantic, and people will go there and enjoy the sunset like this. Yeah. Okay. All right. So after the last part, we are going to have okay, steward, purser. Okay, let's see. I'll show you some steward. ta Do you think he is handsome? How about this one? Yeah. So they are the people who serve on the boat. Steward. Yeah. Okay. And then let's have purser. Yes. So it's like a captain, like who see they have a special star on the shoulder. This one different from steward. I think this one is like a general. So okay, now we back to our travel map. Uh, since we are on the boat, let's try to have okay, Hawaii. Okay, that would be a good choice. I'm trying to find the sea for you, but you find a place for yourself first. Hawaii. Hawaii. Let's have Hawaiian garden here. Okay, we travel to Hawaii by a liner. Okay, okay, so let's see. Wow, there are a lot of things we can do here. Okay, so Hawaii here. Let's see. There are a lot of pictures we can check. So, for example, let's start from the most famous Hawaiian Paradise Park. There's no clear picture here. Let's see this one. New growth on recent beautiful. Not famous. Let's find out something very famous. Let's show the tour guide Hawaii volcanoes. Yeah. Wow. It becomes this is a volcano. This is a volcano. Wow, so big. It's like a whole island is a volcano. Do you see the volcano here? This one. This is a volcano. And let's see the pictures. Wow, it's so beautiful here. You know telescope? Telescope. You use telescope to watch stars. Yes, stars. This one. NASA infrared telescope. This one. I think this is one of the place where they watch stars, like research, only for research, but not for the rocket. And let's see something here on the top of the volcano. Wow, nothing there. How about this one? Really? Oh, yeah, this is the volcano. But well, there's nothing. Yeah. And what's this? Kahululu Kirahu. Let's see. Is this a beach or not? Wow, this is a beautiful place. Kahululu. Though I'm not sure what's the real place it is, but it sounds very good. People stay here. Yeah. So next time before you travel to Hawaii, you can do some research because here you can see everything of the landscape. Here, this is a pier, you see? This is a pier with small boat. Yeah. Sea paradise, Kiahu Bay. Okay, so okay, I agree it's a sea paradise. Okay, very good. All right, so we end of our cruise trip. Now we are going back to Taiwan. And then this is our last transportation vehicle. Okay, land. Okay, so we can have ride, journey. Okay, before we proceed, um, ride. What's the difference between ride and drive? Yeah, exactly like that. So when you ride something that you are not driver, right? So you can ride a bus to school, like you can ride a bus to work. So that's right. But if you drive, that means you are going to drive by yourself to the place. Yeah. Okay. And then tour. That's one. Tour. So journey and tour, what's the difference? Just opposite. Just opposite. Journey is yeah, journey is like long. Yeah, like sometimes it's long way and it's difficult. Yeah. But you did a very good try. You could do a very good try. So give me two examples. One is for journey, one is for tour. So like for how far it is in Taiwan, you can have a long distance journey, like from which place to which place. Ah, like like the wrong the way of Taiwan, right? The wrong trip of Taiwan. Okay. How about tour? Taipei to Kaohsiung. Okay. Eh, but it can be a city tour also. Yeah, city tour like a bus showing you 5 places a day in a city. That would be a tour. Remember last time we learned about the coach, the big bus coach. Yeah, here coach. Usually people use coach. They ride bus for the city tour. Okay, so we have train, coach, bus, car, motorbike, which is motorcycle, and this is bicycle. In United Kingdom, UK, they say motorbike. They don't say motorcycle. Motorcycle is from America. Yeah. But in Taiwan and Philippines, people say motorcycle because of American English. Okay, and this one, station and carriage and terminus, motorway, track. Okay, now let's talk about station. What kind of station you can have in Taiwan for bus or for train? Do you have a bus station and the train station in Taiwan? Yeah. So, uh, usually, would you go there like to the bus station, or you have to for bus there's a bus stop on the street. Yeah, so that's bus stop and bus station. I remember there's a very famous uh, bus station in Taipei. What's its name? Like the bus station is near Taipei train station, and you can go there and take another bus to different cities. Let's check. Let's check. Taipei bus transport. Okay, so there is a Taipei bus transport station. Let's try. Okay. Yeah, I think it's like this one, right? Yeah, Taipei bus station. I have many friends went there to different cities to work. Okay, and let's have carriage. Do you know what is this? Carriage. Yes. Okay, I'll show you. You will. Okay, this is carriage. Yes, carriage. Horse and like this and this carriage. Yes. In Philippines, there are some tourism spot. They have carriage and the horse carriage for tourists. so they can like enjoy the slow atmosphere and see different houses and rivers in a special place and the castle. Yeah, so this is the carriage. Yes, it's old fashioned. But if you travel to Europe, I think it's still very common because there this is also one of the transportation vehicles they have in Europe. Yes, it's in Spain and the France. UK, yeah, I think they have because I saw them on TV on the news, but usually that's for like some like patrol, like the policemen will patrol around the street, so they ride a horse to see if there's any bad guy. So they ride a horse. Okay, yeah, carriage. Terminus. Terminus is you know terminal already, right? The terminal one, terminal two, terminal three. But terminus, when you ride a train or MRT, so to say, there is a first stop and the last stop, right? So the final stop will be terminus, the last stop. Yes, like the head and the end, terminus. And this one, motorway. Okay, this one is not for motorcycle. This one in America is highway, freeway. Yes, yeah, highway. Motorway is in UK. They say motorway. In Taiwan, do you say highway or motorway? Yeah, highway or freeway. Freeway is also good. And this one, track, highway. You have to pay, not free at all. Yeah. How about track? Do you know what is track? Track. Yeah, track. This one. Yes, exactly. Track for train. Yeah. And for the persons we can see with the transportation, number one, guard, driver, conductor. Okay, this is also only used in UK. Conductor is like guard in the America. Like they have when you ride a train, there is people who check the ticket and who maintain the service. They also conductor. They are also conductors. Yeah. And this one easier. Tour guide. Okay. All right. Uh, I hope we still have time to travel to another place by a train or bus, but we don't have time. So I will just tell you this one. Okay, so this part is your homework and research. Okay, this one is very interesting. I think you will like it. Okay, so this one, there are different effects of enjoyment of a journey. So at the airport, on a train, on a long coach journey, on a four ferry crossing. Okay, please tell me more next time about what would you think it would be good when you have this in the service. For example, this one. At the airport, if we have quick check-in, it's very good. If we have good restaurant, perfect. And if we have thorough security check, like from hat to toy, that would be good. So you can think about more, like what else you think it will help you to enjoy your journey. Like, oh, if I have this service, this is so good. So you can add more. Some more for airport, some more for train, some more for coach journey. Oh, I want to tell you this one. I love it. Onboard toilets. Yes, when you ride on a coach, which is the big bus, it takes like a 6 hours journey. If you don't have toilet, it's like, oh my God, this is the hell. No, the one usually I would choose the clean one, although the ticket will be double price, like twice expensive, but I think it's worth it. So you can think about some more you think is important for you to enjoy your journey. Okay? So next time, teacher Martin will come back. He will continue from here, or let's see if there is something problem. I will still continue here. Okay? I hope there is a continuous schedule with teacher Martin. But if there's any problem happen, I will inform you first. Okay, bye bye. See you next time. Enjoy your holiday. Good night. Bye, Jen. Bye bye.